Hello, this is a look at Manjaro 17.0 RC-1 KDE. And as you can see with the startup, it looks beautiful. You'll see the date and time is in Russian. That is simply because I'm based in Russia. So, if you're based anywhere else in the world, it will be English or whatever is your preferred language. Let's have a look. As you can see, this screen looks absolutely beautiful. Fully rounded off, as we are expected of Manjaro. It's one of the most beautiful operating systems out there, based on Arch, easy to install. And even though it's only RC-1, it feels always to me like the Vitas even feel like it can be the stable release. They are so good. Let's have a look at the welcome menu. As you can see, Manjaro, hello, I love how it's integrated with the app. It's like it's completed. And there's some of them is just links, but I love this. There's a lot of info inside of it. Here's a link. So your default browser is Firefox, which is a good choice. I like it. Quite fast enough to react. Very nice, simple, beautiful. I like it. I like all these buttons. Forums open up much quicker. I like this icon looks. This operating system is very responsive, as you can see. Chat room. Any questions you can check here. I'm not such a big fan of this bouncing icon, but as we all know, it's easy to change in Manjaro. And it's Firefox 51.01, the newest current release. Mailing list. Oh, it's just sorry. Get involved, or you can get involved becoming a donator, sending bugs, new ideas, artwork. So many options to get involved in this great operating system, in this great project. I love it. And it's obviously newest up-to-date packages, as you expect from Arch. And Manjaro is based on Arch. A very simple, easy to use, beautiful integrated system. Responsive. Let's close this up. Close tabs. You can go to the Google Plus page, Facebook page, Twitter page. Just clicking here. And Reddit. I love all this when this opens up together. And look at this beautiful Archie themes. Oh my goodness. Twitter. You get a piece of up. Press more too quickly. Google Plus. And you can look at all of them. As you can see, I'm not gonna launch this as startup every time, but it's nice to look at for the first time, and it's up to you. You can change languages here. German, Russian. Back to English. It is 0.4.10. We can maximize, we can minimize. As you can see, it's so responsive. You expect from a great, faithful operating system. And it really feels like this can be disabled release. It doesn't have to be an RC-1, but it is, and they just make it with every release just more and more awesome. It's like good wine. So desktop button, because I got no windows open at the moment, it will do nothing, but if you have like lots of windows open, you press the button, you know what will happen. Add widgets. Look at this clock. My goodness. Looks less cool. It's on, but it still looks cool. Application menus, clipboard, color picker. I always like to add something like this so that you can follow my computer's performance while I'm doing the video. I'm running this on VirtualBox with 2 GB of RAM and 1 CPU, and it's an i5 processor. Let's see if we can move it. It doesn't actually show up. Oh well. It's RC release activities. We change the activities. Very responsive. Lock widgets. Unlock widgets. Very stressed. It doesn't want to move. Don't ask me why. Open up this screw. Open up your calendar. Once again, it's Russian because I'm based in Russia. Configure desktop. Let's look at all this beautiful wallpapers. And I mean, it's truly beautiful. Let's choose this one. So apply. And get even more new wallpapers. Look at all of them. You can add. You can change. Make it yours. That's the whole point. That you must feel that this operating system is just as you want it to be. Manjaro is so customizable. You and me are the only. Our imagination is the only stopping point. You can do whatever you want to do with this operating system, and it's just beautiful by default, and there's so many options. I love how KDE, its local screen is beautiful, smooth, easy to understand, delightful. Run command, let's open up LibreOffice. If it's here, yeah. Let's see what version of LibreOffice it is. Very responsive. Nice, also the Breeze theme. And it's 5.2, so it's not the newest, but it's not at all the oldest also, so it's really fine. Add widgets, we saw it a few seconds ago. Add panels, application. Let's add this. Fine tuning. Here's the menu bar. More settings. Let's delete this panel. Let's go to default menu, panel. Sorry. Remove this one. As we want to go to here. Empty panel. It can't just say what it is gonna be. I would have been shocked if it wasn't empty. Let's go to Maya panel. Also put in normal. That's all the panels. More than enough choice. Like 4 panels. Oh my goodness, it's got a lot. Lockyard, lock widgets, lock screen. We look at all these things already. Just a different way of raising them all. Configure desktop. It's wallpapers and things like that. Go here. I love this icon. Easy to understand already. So familiar. You can remove the space, you can add spaces. Add widgets again is on this side. I'm just gonna show it again, it's the same thing. It's just different ways to get to it. Whatever it is, you can make your panel bigger, smaller. That's too big, but it's a bit too big. Let's take it like this. Let's move it to the top. Let's move it to the left, to the right, and back to the bottom. Just because we can. Here's a date. Here's the notifications. You can scroll through all of them. Here's your volume button. Applications. Nothing by default. Here you will see your Wi-Fi and all those stuff. I'm connected with cable because I'm using button box, trash, it's empty. But you can also empty trash and properties. Dolphin is a very easy to understand system. Show the desktop if you have like icons open. Let's open something quickly. Firefox. And voila. As expected. As it should be. And panel options. Panel settings. We looked at all these things before. Here's alternatives. Move them all. I don't know how to move it back to the normal one, so I'm just gonna do the silly thing. It would be great if somebody can show me how to do it. Add panel, default panel. No, the Maya panel. So let's remove this one. Let's go to add panel, Maya panel. Yeah. Screen aids, as you can see, I'm playing with you, I'm learning with you, I'm enjoying life with you. Alternatives. Hopefully I will not screw this one up again. Sweet. Nothing happens. Basically there was some movement. Sweet. Let's go to icons only task. Manager settings. You can change things if you want to. Just play around and enjoy it. Let's look at Firefox system settings. I love these little launchers here at the bottom of all the programs open. It looks very cool. You can install additional drivers, look at the kernel. Wow, it's a nice button, simple to use if you want to install the newest kernel on your machine. You just press it. As you can see, it's running kernel 4.9.9.1/1 is LTS. It's like the latest stuff, but you can even upgrade to 4.10 RC-1. I don't know /1. I don't know when you're gonna look at this video, but there might be already a newer kernel out there ready for you to install. Keyboard settings, language packages, local. Here you can change it all to English or Russian or whatever you want. You can change it here and enjoy it. I will keep it to Russian. Just type in the password. Time and date, you can add your calendar. Time zone, you can add users. You can change easily from administrator to standard or vice versa. Workplace theme. Wow, look at all these awesome themes. So it's at the moment a brief. Let me take it to Maya. Just for the look of it. And get new looks. I will not in this video. I want to see how the Maya looks like. Actually I want Maya dark. Wow. You can see the change. You don't have to wonder if it changed or not. It's quite obvious. Cursor. I like a white cursor. Split screen. Apply the cursor. I like this preference very much. I'm going to keep it. Colors. Ooh, you can change like the theme colors to reverse, apply, and see if things are changing. I'm gonna take it. Let's go back there. Look at this clock. Yeah. No thank you. Let's go back to my dog. Yeah, no thank you. I don't like it, I can't move it. I removed it because I really don't like it, I can move the icon. It is bad. But then again, it's a new release. It's still an RC. Font manager. All normal KDE stuff. So I'm just running through it quickly. Yeah, it's all normal KDE things. Application style. Windows decoration buttons. As you can see, all the normal stuff. Which is not a bad thing. Desktop behavior. Look at all these options. Screen latches, screen locking. If you want a different wallpaper for your screen locking, I want to have the same everywhere. Both on desktops. If you want to have more than one desktop on your computer, you can switch between for multitasking if required in that sense. Windows management. You can look at all these awesome things. Shortcuts. As you can see, so many options in Manjaro and KDE. Like I said before, our imagination is the only limits to this amazing operating system. every time when I look at this really amazing, I think, wow, these guys are amazing. Here we can change to like different file managers. I don't know of many other operating systems which is easy to install that you can just change like file managers just like that. Here it's a bit only a few options. I'm sure they will add more like Facebook and all this stuff also eventually. Internet settings, network settings. You can, if you have any needs, you can look there. Connectivity, Bluetooth. I don't have Bluetooth on my computer, so I can't have to look at that. Layouts, mouse, joystick, touchpad. Sadly, I don't have these things yet. We can always dream. Multimedia. And look at sound, input, output, devices, very good for microphones and speakers and that stuff. Battery, activities, advanced, you can look at all these things. KDE Connect, very cool to use. Easy to connect with your phone and make it all one awesome system if you want to add a printer. Easy stuff. It finds all the drivers for you automatically. Cameras there, system D. If you know what you're doing here, you can look around. If you're not so sure, rather leave it and let it. Other people worry about that. Yeah. Configure. Yeah. Lot of settings. For some people might be a bit too much, but in general, everything is there, easy to understand. Good job. The start theme is okay. I saw better dark themes in my life before, but this is also a very nice one. 16.12.2. Dolphin, the same Dolphin. Our text editor. Applications, development. I'm just quick run through all the pre-installed apps. Games. Steam is already there. Wow, that's quite cool. The Steam is pre-installed for the gamers out there. I'll make it run in the background. See if it will open up on my virtual machine. Internet. So many apps available. A person don't really even have to install anything. It's already everything here. But I got a sort of center also. So you can find everything else you want. Let's type in Chromium. And let's see. Now, how do we install it? Install local package. Oh no. But if you can find local packages like that. View. Install command. Now I feel like full R. I don't want to long keyring because it always bothers me. It'd be great if you don't have to tap in the password every time or just ignore it. Utilities. Let's see if we got like an info one. If I just type here info center. It's KDE Plasma 5.9.2 framework 64-bit. That's my specs, as I told you. Let's go to my computer. Applications. What I used recently. Looking at me. Oh yeah, that's what I used recently. And leaf. Nice and colorful. As you can see, it's very nice, simple to use operating system. It looks beautiful, it feels beautiful, and definitely worth considering. As I say, yes, it's still an RC-1 release, so I'm sure there will come changes like the icons, the widgets, they need to be able to move around. The dark theme looks okay. I know it's Maya, so it's not the default one, but it also needs some work. But in general it's smooth, it's easy to use, it's responsive, and if that's what you're looking for, go for it. I'm gonna fast forward this download of Steam. We can just check together if it will work out of the box on my machine or not. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.